How to order from Amazon Pharmacy. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for pharmacy.amazon.com. Make sure you were signed in to your Amazon Pharmacy, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, go ahead and provide your prescription. Option 1, you can transfer an existing prescription. Option 2, you can ask your doctor to send the prescription, and option 3, you can upload a prescription. You can also add insurance information, but that is totally optional. Further, enter your health insurance details if you want to use it for discounts. And if you don't have insurance or prefer to pay cash, Amazon offers competitive pricing. Once your prescription is verified, review the available options and select your medication. Confirm the quantity, payment method, and delivery address. Finalize your order by clicking Place Order. Once your order is placed, wait for your delivery. Medications are shipped directly to your address in secure packaging. Prime members enjoy free delivery options too. So, this is how you can order from Amazon Pharmacy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.